Today I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Bitbucket. If you spend a lot of time working in Bitbucket, dark mode can really help reduce eye strain and make your workspace more comfortable, especially during those late night coding sessions. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once you're on the Bitbucket homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Bitbucket dashboard where you can access all your repositories and settings. Now, look up to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. This small icon is your gateway to personalizing your Bitbucket experience. Click on your profile avatar and a drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your account and preferences. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Theme. This is where Bitbucket lets you customize the visual appearance of your interface. Click on Theme to access the display settings. This section controls how Bitbucket looks on your screen, and it's a simple yet powerful way to tailor the platform to your comfort. Once you're in the theme settings, you'll notice different options presented as circles next to each theme choice. Look for the circle beside dark and click on it. As soon as you select this option, Bitbucket will instantly switch to dark mode. The entire interface will transform into a sleek dark color scheme that's much easier on your eyes, particularly if you're working in low light conditions. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Bitbucket, giving your workspace a more comfortable and visually appealing look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.